I'm going to actually lower this to about 10 miles just so we're not getting other cities in there. So I'm going to add that. I'm going to hit next, and we are looking for window installers. Window installer. And we're going to lock that in. We're going to hit next. We're going to do owners and founders and directors and executives for key decision makers. We are trying to find the owner, but they might have a C-suite title, so it'll cover that case. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in. And for our filters today, the first one I want to do is I just want to go into advanced and do website keywords, and I just want to do installation appears, installation, install, or installer, just in case we're not tired. Like we want companies that do window installations and not just sells windows. So this will be a good metric to guarantee, or this will be a good filter to guarantee that we are getting the companies we're looking for here. I'm going to hit next to lock that in, and I'm also going to add a Google review score between a 3 and a 5, and that'll just mean that they have happy customers, happy clients. They're a good business to work with, which is the benefit for you. Is you don't want to work with a business that is fussy in particular, and you always have to go the extra mile for them. It's just easier to work with positively scored companies. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in, and I'm going to come at this from the perspective that I'm a digital marketing agency looking to sell my media services or marketing services to window installation companies. So with that being said, we also are just going to target advertising pixels. So I want to see if they advertise on Facebook. I want to see if they advertise on Google, and I want to see if they advertise on LinkedIn. And I'm going to just select this. I'm going to switch this from an and to an or, just in case that somebody who advertises on Facebook and Google, but they don't advertise on LinkedIn, our filtering won't disregard that company. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in, and we're going to go to our deliver section. I'm going to reset these, and I really want to lock in on sort of the marketing metrics here. So Google review score, or account, Google review score, GMB profile, if it's claimed or not. I want all the social medias here. Revenue, headcount, and data established is important as well. Like if you're trying to find 20 ideal customers to reach out to using your lead sheet, then revenue, headcount, and data established are like good for taking those 100 100 good leads to 20 great leads. I also want the ad pixels, the Google Analytics. Honestly, all the rest of these after the ad pixels are all really great marketing metrics that can help you filter down the good to the great leads. So yeah, with that being said, I'm going to hit next, lock that in. I'm going to hit finish to finish up with my task. Make sure to give your task a title and to set your context required. And I'm going to save this draft and just go back into it quickly. That way, if I want to change something, I don't have to restart from scratch with my task. And I'm going to launch it. Now that we're back out in our task overview, you can see that it's allocating, which means that your lead sheet will be in your hands within 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best window installation leads using Coldlytics. So I hope you guys have a great day.